Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to discuss how to assign the template assignment in earthwork volume calculation and pavement volume calculation. There's two type of calculations how to assign the stations. Now where they are using the template assignments. In any earthwork volume template, there is a more than one template which we are using in the calculations. So that templates we have to assign station from station to end station, like that. There is another one which is pavement volume template also. We are going to assign the for calculations. So this is a panel which is appear in the road solver. So the first one, it is select the typical type and typical layer. Then after that you have to enter the station, start station, end station. This in the again the next one, the start station should not overlap with the previous stations. If it is overlap, the error will be appear. So you have to maintain the station separate, not overlapping. Finally, that to select the whatever you have assigned the template, to select that one, then press insert. Now how it will be work in road solver. Now this is a road. There are the stations 0 0 and 1 plus 0 0. There is 1 plus 500 and 2 plus 650. In this trend there is a here one template, another one template, and another third template. There are three templates which is we are using in the road. The template 1, it is a road solver earthwork template model 1. This is model 2 and model 3. So this one which we are enter inside that panel, so that will be appear from 0 to 1000. It is a template model 1, and 0 to from 1025, because 1000 is already appear there. So 1025 to 1 plus 500, it is template 2. Then 1525 to 2650 is another third template. This is a method to insert this one. Now how it will be work in the software. So we are going to see that one. Road solver, just to go, there is a template models which are already created. It is there. So from that one, go to the assignment. Okay, now from the road solver, go to the typical calculation. Then you can select the template assignment panel. From that one, typical type, we can select the earthwork volume. The earthwork volume, the pavement layer is top of embankment, that is default. I keep the same. The start station will be 0, the end station will be 1000. From that one, I select the template model 1, so I press insert. Then again 1025 from 1 plus 500, that model 2, so press insert. Then 1525 to 2650, then you can select template 3 and insert. Okay, now the station here, if it is overlap, that will not come inside the panel. This is a method, just you can assign the assignment the template for the each stations. So for each for the pavement volume, you have to select separate for the each layer. So you have to assign the template separate.